Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss another literary term, and that is essay. Now, what is an essay? Essay is a brief composition in prose that undertakes to discuss a matter or persuade us to accept a thesis on any subject. Thesis means a theory. So what does essay mean? How can we define essay? Essay is a brief composition in prose in which the writer undertakes to accept a thesis or he discusses a matter or subject matter. There was a tradition of this form of writing in Greek and Romans. The term essay was given its standard name by Montaigne, a great French writer, and his book is Essays, which came out in 1580. The title signifies attempts. Now, what does attempt means? Means the effort, the try. The writer undertakes to write something upon a subject. That is attempts. He makes an attempt. He makes a try. So it means attempts. In the late 16th century, Francis Bacon began the English use of the term in his own series of essays. The most of his essays are short comments on subjects such as of studies, of truth, of travel. In first year you have read all these essays of Bacon. In the 18th century, Addison and Steele made famous the term through literary periodicals such as the Tatler and the Spectator. So in the 18th century, Addison and Steele made this term very popular, and they wrote these essays in periodicals, in magazines, and that term became very popular in the 18th century. In the early 19th centuries, many new types of magazines gave great impetus, gave great focus to the writing of the essays. This was the age when William Hazlitt, De Quincey, Charles Lamb, etc., wrote wonderful essays, which time it is a useful device to express one's view in an informal way. So the essay has a very rich background. It began with the Greeks and Romans, and Montaigne in French came out his book in 1580, and in the 16th century we have Francis Bacon, which exploited this term very beautifully, and he wrote very wonderful essays on topics which are very relevant, and his essays are a brief comment upon the life, upon the topic. Now here we should distinguish the two categories of essay, that is one formal and informal. The formal essays are informal, the impersonal. The formal essays are impersonal, in which the writer writes on a given topic in a very authoritative, in a very commanding situation, in a commanding way. In this category we can put Francis Bacon essays, because his essays are very didactic, full of moral lessons, and he gives in a very knowledgeable way. He shows a deep knowledge of the subject on which he undertakes to write an essay. And another term is informal essay. Informal essay, we can say that they are familiar or personal essay, in which the writer brings out an intimacy with the reader and writes in a very friendly or sometimes in a very whimsical way. So we can put Charles Lamb's essays in this category. When you will read the essays of these writers, you will enjoy the difference between the formal essay and the informal essay. So in final, we can say that essay is a brief composition in prose in which the writer undertakes to discuss a matter, a subject, a theory, or you can say that a thesis, and he gives his views upon that subject matter. And I hope that in the second paper, when we start, you will read, you will enjoy the essays prescribed in your course. Thank you.